We can easily bookmark important site for future visiting in Microsoft Edge. Just click here and then click done. Then it automatically stored in your this favorite options. I show you. Just click here. Yes, you can see this page. I have lot of sites I bookmark here. Here is one site. It's answer the public. And just click here and then click done. If you want to transfer and upload this your bookmarks in your next computer, you can do it easily. I show you here. First of all, you just click this three dot and then click export favorite. By default, it is stored in your document folder. I want to store it in my folders. So I have a folder in desktop, so I go to desktop. I click here and open it and then type the name. By default, the name of this folder is a favorite 7-3. That's today's date. So I save and that at this name. So just click save. And you can restore it easily. Just so I show you here the steps. First, I want to remove all my favorites, so I click here and then click again three dots and open favorite page. I want to delete now, so I just click here, and just click here and then Control A. I select it. Here is 23 favorites sites. Just click delete options. Yes, all my favorite sites has been deleted here. Now I want to close this my browser. I want to open again my browser, so I double click this my browser and then click this favorite options. You can see here is not any my bookmark websites or these favorite pages. So I want to upload or restore that my bookmark page. So for that, click this three dot. Now click import favorite options. Then scroll it and go to import from other browsers. Click this choose what to import. Then go to this import from down arrow and choose favorite or bookmark HTML file. Click on choose file options. And then go to your file locations. My file has been stored in desktop, so I want to go desktop. I have stored here Mindclass folder, so I want to open it and then click this and then click open. Process has been complete. Click on the done. You just click new options and click on your favorite options. Your all bookmark page or your favorite page has been restored here.